You may need to edit your inserted component and change the features that you have assigned to it. So to do that, you can use marking menu. Therefore, just click on your component and then right-click. A menu will be displayed and the edit component is available here. After choosing Edit Component, the Edit Component dialog box will be opened. In the Component Tag area, you can specify a tag for the component or also edit a tag which exists. Note that the component tag should be unique. The other option is a schematic and panel, which help us to insert the tags which had been used for the components and attach them to the new components. On the other hand, when you select, for example, a schematic, all the tags which had been used before are listed here, and you can select each one that you want to copy. Then the copy tag window will be shown, and here is asking to overwrite the existing tag or not. If you select the OK button, then your component tag will change to one you have chosen. The other option panel is same as the schematic, which help you to select used panel tags for new components. You can also select the component tag from the external list here. The next area is Catalog Data area. These two options, Manufacturer and Catalog area, are used in reports. The Lookup button can help us to select the needed manufacturer code and also the catalog number. Here I'm going to select Lookup button. The catalog browser will be shown, and this box displays the information from the catalog database of the components. Here you can see the catalog and the manufacturer column. The description of component and also type and the style for each one is mentioned. Here we have category that help us to select the components category in this drop-down list. You can select the desired one, then in the search field you can search your required components based on the keywords that you have typed here. There are three ways to enter the keywords. The first one is specifying it in a quotation mark. When you write it in this method, you will have the exact keyword in any column after searching. The other method is using OR between your keywords. It means that you will have either of the specified keywords. The third one is using the simple word in the search field. So finally, you will have all the keywords which may not to be together. Select each data that you want to and choose the OK button. Here in the Manufacturer and Catalog Edit box, the data have been inserted. Therefore, by writing your keywords and then pressing the search button, some results which are related to your keyword can be displayed here. Now I'm going to choose a catalog and also press OK button. Here in the Manufacturer and Catalog field, you can see the data which I had selected.